All right. Uh, so I'm just sharing the other slide to you. Before sharing, I'm just giving you the review that what we are going to study afterward. So, wait. Hmm. So one thing is that we have done with the types of writing. So there would be different types of writing when you write something, but there are different types of questions when you study, when you will be giving the question, the answers to the questions in your examination hall. Okay. I'm just reading few of the questions which have already come in your exam, and then you can analyze better that what could be the approach of writing. Let me read the few questions for you so that you can better have the idea. Just simple सोचिएगा सुनिएगा कि questions किस तरह के हैं. Okay, let me enter on. Okay, the first one is develop the following topic sentence into a paragraph that would be of 150 words. सवाल क्या है? Man's technical progress has far outstripped his moral values in the past 2000 years. Far outstrips का मतलब है उसने बहुत पीछे छोड़ दिया है, यानी कि जो टेक्निकल प्रोग्रेस है it has overcome the moral values of mankind over the past 2000 years. अब मैं सिर्फ क्वेश्चंस को देखना है, अभी आप जहाँ पे नहीं आगे जा रहे हैं कि दैट व्हाट आइडिया यू नीड टू राइट और what type of approach you need to follow. Just question को सोचिए सुनिएगा. Okay, then the essay. Write an essay on any one of the given topics. The first one is the cost of living in our country is pretty high. Problems of an unemployed person. Question number 3 है, यानी कि इन दोनों में essay में से choice है. And then the other question is examinations should be abolished because they put too much pressure on students. You need to discuss it. ठीक है, एक ये सवाल है. आगे बढ़ते हैं.
मिस आपकी स्क्रीन नजर नहीं आ रही है.
नहीं, मैं स्क्रीन से नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ. आई एम जस्ट रीडिंग इट विद माई मोबाइल.
ओके मैम, ओके.
ठीक है, ओके.
जी मैम.
Another question is the 21st century has begun. What changes do you think the new century will bring? Write a paragraph of 150 words. एक और ये 10 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन है. Another question is every generation of people is different from your parents' generation. Use specific reasons and examples to explain your answer. Write a paragraph of 150 words. ये भी 10 मार्क्स का है. फिर ऐसे राइटिंग है कि इनमें से दो दो में से एक लिखनी है. Reading fiction such as novels and stories is more enjoyable than watching movies. अब देखें, अब मतलब सोचिएगा कि देखिए इसके अंदर आपने अप्रोचेस कौन कौन से लेनी है. ये वाली बात नहीं, जो नैरेटिव वगैरह की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, लेकिन इसके अंदर आपने कंपेयर करना है, इसके अंदर एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस देने हैं, क्या करना है आपने. बेस्ट वेज ऑफ रिड्यूसिंग मेंटल स्ट्रेस, एक ये सवाल है. एक ये सवाल है जो कि है 10 मार्क्स का अगेन, दैट इज डिसीजंस कैन बी मेड क्विकली और दे कैन बी मेड आफ्टर केयरफुल थॉट. डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री विद द अबव स्टेटमेंट? यूज स्पेसिफिक डिटेल्स टू एक्सप्लेन योर आंसर. वर्ड लिमिट इज 200. ठीक है, आइडिया हो गया. एक और है, how do movies or television influence people's behavior? Use specific reasons and examples to support your answer. Another question is, it has been said, inverted commas, Not everything that is learned is contained in books. Compare and contrast knowledge gained from experience with knowledge gained from books. In your opinion, which source is more important and why is it so? A company has announced that it wishes to build a large factory near your community. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the new influence on your community. Do you support or oppose the factory? Explain your arguments with facts. Another question is that is of 15 marks. What are the causes and effects of unemployment in Pakistan? Another question is, what are some important qualities of a good supervisor, yani ke boss? Use specific details and examples to explain why these qualities are important. Okay, now just hold on. अब देखें, you have seen the different questions which have come in your exam in previous years, ठीक है, in the same under the same course. there are multiple types of questions, ठीक है. किसी के अंदर वो कह रहे थे एडवांटेजेस डिसएडवांटेजेस बताएं, किसी के अंदर हम कह रहे थे कंपेयर कॉन्ट्रास्ट बताएं, जो इफ यू रिमेंबर आई हैव taught the same thing in the previous class. Okay, I have figured out different types of writing on which you have to write. So before writing, whenever a question comes in front of you in the paper, you need to first analyze that on what aspect you need to focus on. Whether it's an advantage or disadvantage essay, whether it's a compare and contrast essay, whether it's a problem solution essay, whether it's just a descriptive kind of essay. ठीक है, तो you just need to figure it out that what approach you need to focus, you need to carry on during the writing. एक writing, एक I'm just sharing, wait, I'm just sharing two of them ताकि आपको idea हो कि हम किस तरह से लिखते हैं. Okay, can you see this problem solution pattern?
Yes, miss.
Okay, fine enough. This is problem solution pattern. Problem solution means one problem is given to you and you are asked to give the solution. Okay, probably it could be like this, and it could also be like this, that a problem is also given and the solution is also proposed to you, but you need to explain it in a clear way. Okay, sometimes two problems are given and you need to propose a solution of that. Sometimes a topic is given and you need to find out the what that you can write on the problem solution pattern. ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Analyzing problems, presenting solution. The very important thing, the very first important thing you need to do is you need to analyze the problem. उस problem को समझना है पहले गौर से कि what is the scenario of that problem. क्या वो problem है भी या नहीं है, और अगर है तो what is the deep rooted effect of that problem. What are the different effects of the problem in the society or in the surrounding or in the respective domain, and then you need to present the solution. अब इसीलिए I have taught you the process writing approach, that when you figure out that what type of approach you need to take in your writing, so you need to do the brainstorming to do it. Means you can better write it down in the outline form, that what could be the problems which are generating due to this main problem, and then what could be the possible solution, so that your pen would not be stuck while you write. Okay, you will be on the point when you construct your answer. So this is the main thing you need to do before the writing. When writing about problems and solution, Define the problem carefully and try to present a range of possible solutions. ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम तो एक है बट देयर कुड बी मल्टीपल सॉल्यूशंस टू ओवरकम दैट प्रॉब्लम. और समटाइम्स ये होता है कि प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत सारी हैं और उनका सॉल्यूशन एक ही है. तो यू कैन गो इधर वे. देयर इजंट नो स्पेसिफिक रूल अबाउट प्रेजेंटिंग द सॉल्यूशंस और द प्रॉब्लम्स. In the in the model below, in the next page, Stephen Cope uses strong images, references to popular culture and storytelling to describe gridlock. अब ये क्या बला है, क्या लिखी हुई है? We will discuss it in the next slide. Sorry, not next class. Yes. Example है. This is a model by Stephen Cope, which is presented as the gridlock, Time magazine. येलो में जो लिखा हुआ है वो क्या है? हाउ डज द राइटर पुल द रीडर्स इनटू द आर्टिकल? A colorful example of how a traffic jam affected one man helps readers identify with the problem. So first important thing is to identify the problem. अब इसके अंदर जो मैंने आपको क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के बताए ना पास्ट पेपर्स में से, इसमें भी देयर आर सम क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर बेस्ड ऑन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन मेथड. Remember, when getting there was half the fun, when driving was a breeze and flying was a cinch, no longer gridlock has gripped America. What is this gridlock? Yes, I will definitely share this slide to you. I will share all the slides to you people. Don't worry. ठीक है, सदीद मुझसे मांगते रहेंगे. I'll provide all the slide to you people. Don't worry. ओके. सो ग्रिड लॉक क्या होता है? वो जो होता है ना, आपने देखा है ना, डेड लॉक हो जाता है. जो भी ड्राइव करते हैं उनको बहुत अच्छी तरह पता होगा व्हाट इज द डेड लॉक, व्हाट इज द ग्रिड लॉक. क्या होता है? नो आइडिया.
मिस बाइक चलाते मिस.
हाँ, नहीं बाइक गाड़ी बात एक ही है. मतलब जिसको ट्रैफिक सेंस होता है ना, आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट दोज पीपल. नहीं पता? थोड़ा सा तुक्का ही मार दें.
नो मिस नहीं पता.
अच्छा, उसके अंदर जैसे जो वो इंटरसेक्शंस होते हैं ना, इंटरसेक्शंस एट डिफरेंट पॉइंट्स, जैसे हमारे यहाँ बहुत होता है. जो 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 चौरंगी होती है ना, उसके जो बीच में लाइक जो जो सर्कुलर बाउंड्री होती है वो भी टूट जाती है. ठीक है ना, वो तोड़ देते हैं ना वो, ताकि it's 135 or 140 मानो